Hello, this is Crystal Tanish, and this is my Module 8 reflection. So the first question is, what experience has impacted me the most? And my team for math at Liberty recently had a PLC training day, which was so beneficial. So what we did was we planned a lesson together, then we went over that lesson, and then our whole team and our coach from Liberty went to different classrooms and taught the same lesson, each one of us, but we were focused on engagement strategies for the student. And so, what I really took from that is when lesson planning or even going over or reviewing lessons before teaching them, now my mindset has changed because my coach actually said something that really was helpful for me. She said, when you are planning or reviewing lessons, your guiding question should be, what are my students doing? Not exact, because we always, I usually think, I'm like, oh, what am I going to do in this lesson? And I think a better focus is, what are the students doing? So that way you can already plan ahead for what you're going to have them do. And then from that day, I took simple things that I can implement in my classroom, for example, as using a timer to help the students better manage their time for problems, managing my voice. So if there's something important in the lesson, maybe lower it or raise it to create emphasis on that and to create a focus. And then there was just a few other things. I really liked how one of the teachers, when she asks a question, she kind of has the students like argue their answer and like validate if they are correct, which was really beneficial for me to see. Okay, and then the next question, sorry, one second, is how has my mindset changed? So in this module, I really liked how they talked about making mistakes, how that affects students, because in middle school, they are at the point where they do not want to make a mistake, and some students even, they don't even want to try or start a problem because were so worried about making a mistake. So I really liked that text that was about that. I think that was very helpful for me to see, and even for me to show my students. I think I'm going to show them the research about making mistakes and how it creates how it changes your brain. And I think that's really beneficial for students to notice that it's okay to make a mistake, because I have like a handful, maybe 3 students that don't even want to try problems because they're worried about making mistakes and they're worried about what their peers are going to think. So I think that's very beneficial, and that was my biggest takeaway from this module. However, I really enjoyed this module because I do teach math, so it was very beneficial. I really liked the books, and I'm probably going to go through and read even more of them because I thought they were super helpful. And then my last thing is, what questions have surfaced for you? So for me, for this module, I did submit my lesson plan and my video for one of my videos, for one of my lessons. And my question is now that I've submitted it, did I do it correctly? I know Jade and I were a little bit still confused, so I just want to make sure that I submitted that correctly and that it's good to go for you. Okay, well, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.